Okay, Zuni's finishing up. Oops, the apricot. Great. Is that good? You want another bite? Say yes. Yes? Yes? Okay. Is that good? Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Here's Poppy. Poppy doesn't like apricots. I don't know why. Why don't you like apricots, Poppy? But look what Poppy did to the cage. This is 2 days. There's nothing left. Nothing. Well, there's one little toy over there. One little toy there. She just, I don't know. I can't keep them in toys. But I can keep them in apricots, huh, soon. Okay. Yummy, yummy. Oh, what you doing, pretty girl? Yeah, we gotta clean up. It's a big mess. Big mess in here. All from you. And because it's been a couple days. Yes. Okay. Alright. I gotta get busy. Enough playing around.